Yes. Are you trying to talk to your toys? Say hi. Hi, Froggy. You like the toys, huh? Oh, Jackie's gonna talk. I can tell. You're gonna talk. Yes. Hi. What a beautiful boy. Yellow bird. Yellow bird. Yes, are you having a good time? Do you like to sing along with Owen? Do you like to sing?
Tiny little bird with a beady eye, flashing in the sun, filling up the sky.
Can you sing? Are you gonna sing?
The sun is going down, but it's okay. Tiny yellow bird swallowed up the day.
What's that noise? What's that noise?
Early in the morning, let it out again. When you sing like an angel from a tree.
Are you gonna try to talk and sing?
I'm
Yes.
so lucky to have you as a friend. I found you and you found me.
Here comes your favorite part.
Yellow bird. Yellow bird.
Can you sing too?
Sing a song again.
If you didn't have the hiccups, you'd sing. Sing, ah! Ah, good job! Say yellow bird. Can you sing yellow bird? Say ah! Ah!
Some people say the world is getting smaller.
You're trying. You're trying to talk to mommy, aren't you? You're my big boy. I love you. Say ah!
Right now I feel the world is getting bigger when I'm looking in your shiny little eyes.
Aye, yes. You like seeing yourself on the computer? Are you looking at yourself on camera? Say hi, Jack. Hi. Ooh, he wants to talk. Jack. C squared, I realize. Here comes your favorite part. Yellow bird. Yellow bird. Sing your song again. Oh, you like that part. Yes, you do. What's that noise? You liked that. Is that a birdie? Is that a birdie? What's mommy doing? You like that? Yes. Oh, is Jackie gonna sing along? Ah.
Sing your song again.
Say hi, yellow bird. Hi. Can you talk? Hi.
Some people say the world is getting smaller. There's a big steel bird in the sky.
Ah. Say ah.
But right now I feel the world is getting bigger when I'm looking in your shiny little eyes.
Oh, ah. Say ah.
So much light coming out and surrounding.
My heart is opening wide. Oh, good singing, Jack. Good singing.
So much energy in such a tiny space equals MC squared, I realize. Equals MC
Here comes your
squared.
favorite part. Yellow bird.
Yellow bird.